want the daily dope again. I want the daily dope.
Welcome back to another episode of the Daily Dope. I'm your host, Jean-Paul Gedeon, bringing you knowledge and experience share. In 2020, the last week of February, let's just say March 2020, we pivoted. We were product sourcing already. One of our clients, the Royal Hawaiian Hotel, asked us for hand sanitizer because they received one of our little keychain hand sanitizers. It's a little gel, hand sanitizer gel with a little loop, had our logo on it. And we were producing those for years and giving them away at trade shows and selling them to our other vendors at trade shows so they can give them away with their logo on it. And we had the source. We started producing that. Then we asked them, what else do you need? They said, can you do masks? We need masks for our staff. So we started supplying masks to not only the hotels, other businesses, construction businesses, hospitals, care homes, you name it. Every business needed it. And we're doing nitrile gloves. We're doing gloves for many of the airlines and the hotels. So now a decent part of our business is PPE, personal protective equipment, which is the sanitizer, which is the masks, which is the full gowns, the head covers, the shoe covers, the temperature gauges, the face shields. We do all of that, a full range of PPE. We're able to get that, facilitate it, move it forward. And to this day, we're still doing that. So we diversified what we offer, but we really stayed within our core business. And our business is providing the products and services that companies need to either open, operate, or close. Open, operate, or close. There's a product and service that JPEG can provide. So we stayed within the focus of what we're doing. Yes, a lot of it has to do with design, marketing, and advertising, but also operations and sourcing the products that these companies need to operate. So it came to diversification. Every business was hit. We were also hit with COVID, but we pivoted and we found our way forward to support our clients, to support our business, and support the community. We really hit those three angles. We've given a lot back to the community for free. Things that cost us, hard dollars, we actually provide for free. Our vertical custom branded sanitizer stand. It's a way we give back. It makes us feel good. It fills our cup. And we don't really talk about it so much, but we do it. Please follow along on YouTube. Just go to jeanpaul.com. That's JEAN-PAUL.com. That's right, jeanpaul.com, to build our audience, to feature our friends, clients, and partners, and subject matter experts, and produce content we can share because it builds our brand. It builds their brand. It brings you value, and you learn from this. It all works. Have a good one.
I want the daily dope again. I want the daily dope.